I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is some Christmas DIYs, and as you can see in the back, here is one of the pillows with this really cool rainbow trim around it. We'll set that like that. And then there's another one right here. And my little arrangement right there, which you can't see very well. But anyways, if you're new, hi, I'm Kensy, and if you like DIYs and making smoothies on my vlogs, then you should totally go down below and subscribe. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, and while you're down there, you should turn on post notifications so that you can get notified for when I upload. And give this video a thumbs up because I really like my background. It's really getting me in the Christmas spirit. And my headboard actually ends about right here. So I've just got a bunch of stuff stacked up, as you can see. So anyways, yeah, this is my Christmas DIY haul, kickoff to Christmas season. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. So first up, we are going to be making this flower arrangement. So first up, I'm just taking a metal tin, a few cute picks I got at Michael's, and some pine, and I'm just bending down these stems so that they will fit better into the bucket, and then putting them in there. And then now I'm going to actually decorate this with my picks, and it took me a minute, but I finally got them all situated, and I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. And this is what mine looked like. Now this is definitely my favorite of all of these DIYs. So basically I'm just taking some more DIY fabric paint, some accessories, and some pillows all from Michael's. And so on the first one, I'm just going to sketch out the word jingle, and I did this a few times to make it look good. Now I'm just taking some red fabric paint, and you do have to be pretty patient with this because you can't just rush through it. And then I'm just going to trace all of my letters with this paintbrush and fabric paint. And I highly recommend Laura DIY's fabric paint over the other brand that Michael's has, because since I've been using this, it's just been working so much better. So now I'm just doing a second coat in some of the places that I think it needs a second coat. And then I'm going to take some glittery red and go over it once again so that it can have some sparkles and really go with the Christmas spirit. Now I am taking a different size, and I'm starting with the letter O and just sketching out the word joy. This one is a lot easier for you beginners or rookies out there, and I kind of gave it like a watercolor effect, but it did get a little thicker than I would have liked in the middle. So I just took some white paint, fabric paint, and kind of went over it, and you can kind of see it right now, but trust me, it will go away and it'll be like it's not there, and it makes it look so much better for if you have a little mistake. And according to Bob Ross, we don't make mistakes, we make good accidents or something like that. So that's what I did, and yep. Now I'm just going to be going over the letter joy, or the word joy, with my sparkly green glitter paint. That's kind of a tongue twister there. And so now back to the jingle pillow. I'm taking this wire, this like bead wire garland thing, and so I'm just propping this up, and then I'm just going to do some hot gluing all the way down the edges. Now back to the Joy pillow. I'm just taking this cute little bow I got at Michael's and putting some hot glue on that. Then I'm taking some snowflake ornaments to kind of spice this up instead of being just a plain white pillow, and just putting a little bit of hot glue on the back and pressing them into the pillow so that it's like a winter wonderland pillow. And here's what they looked out. I'm so happy with them, and I love the trim on the jingle one, and they're just so cute. And yeah. Okay, so this is like so easy, but I saw these cute little fringe things at Michael's one day when I was there, and my Christmas tree is light purple, so I thought that they would look good. So anyways, I'm just taking a paper clip and bending them through, because this is a real DIY, and then hanging them. Now, I have done these before for a couple of years now, but never really filmed it. So first I'm just going to outline my picture I chose, then I'm going to cut out that, and now I'm going to take off the lid to my ornament, and you can get these at your craft store. Now I'm going to spray the inside with some spray adhesive, take some confetti from the dollar store that's Christmassy, pour some of that in there, and then shake it around so that it kind of gets all over the sides, but not all the way up to the top, because you don't want it to cover up your whole picture. So just do about 2 coats of this, and then just roll up your picture and stick it inside, and it looks super cute. Okay guys, so that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Kensy